Now we are going to discuss about the second example. Maximize z of x comma y equal to 3x plus 4y subject to the constraints x plus y less than or equal to 5, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, where the non-negativity x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Students, already explained you that whenever you want to find the feasible region when the given constraints are given, you have to plot them on the graph paper. For that, you have to take the given lines. The linear equations are x plus y less than or equal to 5 is there, you take it is equal to 5, and second is 3x plus 2y equal to 12, that is second equation. Now we are going to calculate where this first line is going to meet on the coordinate axis. For that, you put x0, y equal to 0. By putting x0, you will get y value is 5. By putting y0, you will get x equal to 5. So the points on the axis are 0, 0, which is origin, and A is 5, 0, and B point is 0, 5. On the same lines, we are going to take the second equation 3x plus 2y equal to 12. From second equation, putting x0, y0. By putting x is equal to 0, you will get 2y equal to 12. Cancel y equal to 6. By putting here y equal to 0, you will get 3x equal to 12. That is x is equal to 4. Therefore, the points are origin 0, 0, and C point is 4, 0, and D point is 0, 6. And also by observation says that these two lines are going to intersect. Let us find the point of intersection of these two lines also. Solving equation 1 and 2. For solving, you can eliminate one of the variable. You write y is equal to 5 minus x in equation 2. That means 3x plus 2 into 5 minus x equal to 12. That is 3x plus 10 minus 2x equal to 12. 3x minus 2x is x. 12 minus 12, that is 2. So by putting x equal to in this equation, y equal to 5 minus 2, which is number 3. Let us say the point of intersection E point is 2, 3. Now we got all the feasible corner points of these two lines equations. We have to plot them on the graph paper. For that, let us take the graph. Take the coordinate axis. Y-axis, x-axis. The first is, you are going to take one line, say x plus y equal to 5. For that, just draw a line. See, this is 5, 0, and this point is B 0, 5. Coming to the second is what? 4, 0 C point, and D point is. So you mark here, this is A. Let us mark here C. This is 4, 0 C point, and you say somewhere here this is D point, that is 0, 6. If you join these 2 points, you got this is the point. So the point of intersection of these two is nothing but just now we calculated, that is a point E, which is 2, 3. Look here. Now we got the equations. One equation is, this equation is x plus y equal to 5, and this equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. In the given problem, x plus y less than or equal to 5. That means it is the shaded part, downward shaded, you have to shade it downward. And 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. If you observe carefully the students, there is a common point here. This is the feasible region what you want. This is the feasible region. This is total. Now we have to find the maximization of the given objective function 3x plus 4y. For that, the points are, first is origin. If you put origin in the given objective function, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, value is 0. Second is C, Z of C, the point is 4 comma 0. Z of C, 3 into 4 plus 0, that is equal to 12. And next is B point, Z of B. Of course, you can find E also there. You can also put E value also here. So 3 into 0 plus what is that? 4 into 5. The value comes as 20. And the next one is Z of E. Z of E, calculate. E point is 2 comma 3. If you put 2 comma 3, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3, the value comes nothing but 18. Now all of them, what is the maximum value comes? The maximum value you can find at the corner point B. So the function is maximum. It is Z is maximum at B point 0 comma 5, which is equal to 20. This is a problem how to solve when two constraint lines are given. Once again, students, how to solve? When the given objective function is Z of x comma y is 3x plus 4y, subject to the constraints x plus y less than or equal to 5, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, where x greater than 0, y greater than 0. First of all, you have to plot the given constraints on the graph. For that, you take the lines whenever it is equal to symbol. So you take equal to symbol, put the points where x0, y0, you will get the points on the x-axis of the first line is x plus y. A point is 5 comma 0, B point is 0 comma 5. Similarly, for the second line, 3x plus 2y equal 12. You can find the vertices are origin, C point 4 comma 0, D point is 0 comma 6. And also these two lines are intersecting lines. Let us find the point of intersection. It is intersecting at a point E 2 comma 3. Put all the points on the graph. To get there, look at now we have to shade the feasible region of OCEB. That is your feasible region, OCEB. Now you have to put each corner point and you have to find the maximum value. At 0, I got 0. At C, I got 12. At B, I got 20. At E, I got 18. Out of all of these values, at B corner point, we are getting the maximum value.